Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to trade Bitcoin on Libertex. So first you need to open the Libertex app, unlock your phone and open the Libertex trading app. On the screen we can see the Libertex app, and over here when you reach to the interface of Libertex on the bottom left we can see there's a markets icon. Tap on the markets and over here we could see all of the popular trading. Simply select a Bitcoin. Over here just below the gold, tap on the Bitcoin here. The popular currency pairs like European dollars, United States dollars, you need to choose a currency pair. Profit level to manage risk, you need to choose leverage if you want. Remember, higher leverage increases both potential gains and losses. And once you open to the trade over here, we can see the charts of this trade. On the bottom we can see there's a sell or buy. You can tap on buy or sell to execute the trade. Your position will appear in open trades or portfolio, as I'm tapping on the buy on the bottom right. And you need to track the trade's performance in open trades. Close the trade manually or let it close automatically at your take profit or stop loss. Profit or losses will be reflected in your account balance. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. If you have any trouble trading Bitcoin on Libertex, comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.